Hello, Mr. Wong.
Hey, Mr. Wong.
It's Jock and Alistair.
Hi.
Yep. So we are doing a reworked edition of question 2 on the first Unit 4 exam. And yes,
We are finding the extrema analytically of our function e to the x to the 4 plus x squared.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the derivative of this function. F prime. So actually, no, we're gonna let u equal x4 plus x squared. F prime of u is going to equal e to the u times u prime. Then we're going to sub the equation back in. F prime of x equals ex4 plus x squared times the derivative with respect to x of x4 plus x squared. F prime of x equals 4x cubed plus 2x times e to the x4 plus x squared. And that is our derivative.
Next step is finding the 0. So we will make f prime of x equal to 0. So now 0 equals 4x to the 3 plus 2x, then e to the x to the 4 plus x squared. Now we will sub this e over, dividing 0 by this number, which gives you 0. Then we will factor out a 2x, leaving us with 2x squared plus 1. Then we will divide this over to the left side as well, giving us 0 equals 2x. Finally dividing the 2, 0 equals x.
Okay, so now we know that there is an extrema at x equals 0. So, first thing we're going to want to achieve is finding out the y value of that extrema. So we're going to sub 0 into our original equation. F of 0 equals e to the power of 0, which is to the power of 4, plus 0 squared. This is going to give us f 0 equals 0 plus 0, 0. F of 0 equals 1.
Now we will set up this chart, which has 3 sections: x, f prime, and the behavior of f. So first we will put a 0 here, which will be a 0 at f prime, and a 1 at our f behavior. Our next step is to find the behavior of the function left and right of our point.
The first thing I'm going to do now is find the behavior of the function to the left. So I have my f prime of x equals 4x cubed plus 2x times e x4 plus x2. Now I'm going to sub a value that is to the left of x equals 0. So I'm going to use -1. This is the first derivative test. Equals 4 negative 1 cubed plus 2 times negative 1 multiplied by e to the negative 1 to the power of 4 plus negative 1 squared. Simplifying this, we end up with f prime of negative 1 equals negative 4 minus 2 multiplied by e to the 2, and this becomes f prime of negative 1 equals negative 6 multiplied by e to the power of 2, which equals approximately negative 44.33. This is a negative number.
This shows that f prime is negative to the left of 0.
For our value to the right, we're going to use 1. So, f prime of 1 equals 4 1 cubed plus 2 times 1 e to the 1 to the power of 4 plus 1 squared. Now we combine, we add, do our addition, equals 6 e to the 2. This equals approximately 44.33. Note this is positive.
So a positive number means that to the right of 0, f prime is positive. From this, we can see that the behavior of f is decreasing and then increasing. So our graph looks something like this. At 1, we'll have a point, and then from here it is increasing, from here it is decreasing.
This means there is an absolute min of 1 at x equals 0. There is no local maximum. And that is the end of the lesson.